Hi, I'm Patrick Weeks at Heritage Toyota, and today I'm going to show you the 2018 Corolla IM. The Corolla IM is a premium vehicle for not a premium price. It has all the safety features of a high-end vehicle with the low price of a regular Corolla. The Corolla IM has projection beam halogen headlights. It has push-button folding mirrors and 17-inch alloy tires for maximum grip in all weather conditions. So the TSSC is for Toyota Safety Sense Compact, which comes in compact cars. In this vehicle, you get automatic high beams, you get pre-collision system, and a lane departure alert. And now in the back of the car, we have a review camera for those hard to see spots. And in the back, you have 21 cubic feet of cargo space. Also, you have a 60/40 folding seat in the back. Inside the IM, you have a bunch of different features. The middle informational display shows your trip information, your visual lane departure alert, your message board. The Corolla IM has dual climate zones, which can be moved up and down and also synced back to the driver's seat, which allow a person to have their own comfort in each zone of the car. And it has side heated mirrors. Thank you for watching this video on the Corolla IM. If you have any questions, please contact Heritage Toyota at 865-8200.